Our craft and quilt batting is made of 100% bonded, non-recycled white polyester fiber. It is seamless, which makes it very simple and easy to work with. The batting is uniform in thickness, 2 ounce per square yard, and it has a naturally soft texture and retains its high loft and fullness. Polyester is a synthetic material which naturally makes it hypoallergenic and mildew-proof. In addition to quilting, you can also use batting to simulate snow for a holiday scene. It can also be used as insulation for DIY pot holders, gloves, and coats. Its incredibly soft and warm texture makes it the perfect material to use for a baby blanket or as quilting for your bed. Due to the incredible compressibility of these fibers, we are able to save space and shipping costs by flat compressing the batting. It will immediately fluff back up to its original volume and softness upon breaking the vacuum seal. Our batting is machine washable and is easy to quilt by machine or by hand. It is ISO 9001 certified and made in Canada. Our batting is available in several different sizes.